In this video, we present the tutorial on how to use and operate the Karcher BD5055 floor scrubber. Explore the first segment of our showcase at the West Edmonton Mall Waterpark featuring the demonstration of the Karcher BD7075 auto scrubber. The Karcher BD5055 is an extremely compact and straightforward walk-behind scrubber. It's highly user-friendly, easy to transport, and simple to maintain. Let's dive into a more detailed look in this machine in our live tutorial and demo.
Right, so what I brought for you on this one is a deck brush instead of a pad driver. All right, so you saw the fill port in the front. Okay, here we have our recovery tank. So same thing, same filter system. The nice thing about these machines is that they're all almost the same, right? Their entire series. So it goes 50-55, 70-75, 80-100. They're all extremely similar, okay? So the only difference on this unit, this actually completely comes off. Okay, so which is actually easier for cleaning and emptying. So two 12-volt batteries here. Okay, so what we have here is Trojan, two 12-volt. Again, these are the #1 brand of batteries on the market. This is, you know, I would always recommend AGM batteries and maintenance free. Lead acid batteries have just, there's too much maintenance involved, right? So, okay, and this just pops right back on here. Okay. So we're going to, again, work our way from the front to the back. So what we have here, so you have obviously your fill port. Nice thing about this too, you actually have a cap that actually shows you up to 300 mils for chemical distribution. So if you have a dilution system or a certain chemical, you can fill it into here, pour it in here, and then, right, and then make sure, obviously, always water first is my recommendation, or else you tend to get foaming. So water first, then your chemical, okay? This is actually meant for your hose, just so you guys know. You can stick your hose underneath here. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so again, heavy duty chassis, solid, yeah. Right? Completely solid. Has the same thing, spring-loaded system, right? So that's what this lever here is for removing the brush. So, right, really simple. Okay, so this is our standard brush that we have here. Red is pretty standard. There is less aggressive or more aggressive. So just like the other one, you can either do it by hand to put it on, okay? Or you could line it up in the back. So I'm going to show you both, right? So it's that simple. Again, if you wanted to, you could just take the head, drop it down, and it'll lock into place. All right? So now what we'll do is we'll just work our way to the back. So again, squeegee assembly, which you saw, a little bit different squeegee assembly. This is a latch system, obviously, right? So you have your latch system right here. It just goes underneath the plate on the bottom. You click it in. Obviously, attach your suction hose, okay? Lever is on the back for dropping down. And again, water control. And then you got your speed control. Turn on the machine. It'll do a self-diagnostics again for about 5 seconds. So again, pull the trigger for about a second. So hold the triggers. And it'll take about 1.5 seconds to kick in. And there you go. So then we'll do, lift, put your head up. That's it. Then just hold the trigger.
Remember, with the tenant too, we can't cross this.
Yeah, it's this, the grip will tear the squeegee.
We appreciate you watching our demonstration of the Karcher BD5055 auto scrubber. For additional information and the most competitive prices, visit our website at regentsupply.com. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribing for more exclusive Regent Supply content.